Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am so exhausted. I just got home from work and it is 1:30 in the morning and I was supposed to film this video before I left, but I didn't have enough time. Long story short, I'm here and I'm doing the video because I was like, I cannot wait. I want to get this video up first day of fall, and I've been working like crazy hours lately, and I really envisioned this different. I was like, I'm gonna have a pumpkin spice latte and wear a cute fall outfit and all this stuff, but it didn't work out. I'm wearing an Old Navy shirt, so. But yeah, I really am so anxious to see what's in this box. I've never done Fab Fit Fun before, and I signed up to do this with my own money. This is not sponsored. I did not get this sent to me. Nobody's reached out to me. I've just heard really good things about this box. I think it has over a $200 value and it's only like $40. It was only $40 for me to do it, and I used a promo code. So it's a monthly subscription. I don't know all the details, but it's like a monthly, or not monthly, it's a seasonal subscription. So there's 4 boxes a year, I believe. I don't really do a lot of subscriptions, but I've heard so many good things about this, and I decided, why not try it out? I love $40 is not that much for all the stuff that you can possibly get in these things. So I thought, why not try it? I thought that this would get us in the spirit for fall a little bit, because I know fall is my favorite season. I love fall. So happy fall, happy pumpkin spice everything, basic. Yeah, tell me your favorite thing down below that gets you in the mood for fall, like whether it's a drink at Starbucks or if it's a certain scent at Bath & Body Works or whatever it might be. Let me know your favorite thing, your favorite fall outfit, whatever it is. Please let me know down below. I just wanted to shout out this brand really quick, Herbivore. I don't know if that's how you say it, but this is their sea mist, and it's coconut and sea salt beach wave hair mist. And y'all, they deserve a major shout out today. And thank you so much for Herbivore and Octelli for gifting me this product. This stuff is amazing. First of all, it smells incredible. I brought this on my trip to the beach. I know if some of you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know that I went to the beach recently, and this stuff, I brought it with me. It's kind of heavy, and I like that because I like that it's like this glass. I love stuff in glass because you know the chemicals in plastic and whatnot, you know. But I saw this on Octelli and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to try this out. Formulated with the same salinity as in the Pacific Ocean, this naturally fragrant sea salt spray will bring new life and beachy volume to flat, uninspired locks, which is so true. I feel like this really amps up my hair, and the way that it smells, I get more of like a vanilla-y scent from it. Vanilla coconut for sure. I looked at the ingredients right away, which are solid. I just tasted some of it. It tastes like salt water for real. But I feel like it really amps up my look, and it just makes my hair look so good. So I love this stuff, coconut and sea salt. I feel like it needs to definitely have like a vanilla label on it too. I know that the ingredients have vanilla. The first thing that I noticed, I was like, oh my god, this literally smells and tastes like, or not taste, but you know when you spray something, you kind of taste it a little bit. I was like, oh wow, this must have vanilla, and it does have vanilla in it. So it says you apply to damp hair, and I've been doing that. Like whenever I get out of the shower, I will brush my hair until dry it, and then I'll spray some of this in there before I blow dry it. And I also kind of revamp my hair with this as well, and I kind of refreshen my hair with this, and I love this stuff so much. I've seen this and I love the packaging. It's so crisp, so clean. The ingredients are good. There's like hardly any ingredients, which is amazing. This is out of Seattle. I'm always interested to see where things are from. But yeah, I've really been loving this. It's my favorite hair product that I've used in a long time. So this has been great, and the ingredients are bomb. Just wanted to tell y'all because I've been getting a lot of hair compliments lately, which my girl does a great job. If y'all want to know, let me know down below who I go to if you in Nashville. Before we start the video, I know this is a little TMI, but I know I talked about my tea cleanse. Ooh, shout out to the Virgo season. I'm really sad that it's over now and it's Libra season. Shout out to my Libras. Oh, I'm sad. I'll let this steep for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then I'll take out the little tea bag. I love this stuff so much, you guys. These teas really detox you, for realsies. I don't think I have enough wine glasses, for real. Oh, okay. But no, I really do feel a difference with this tea, you guys. I feel like it's really been a staple in my routine, and I look forward to having it every single day. I know I always have the skinny every day. I brought this on my trip with me. It was perfect. I just have my teaspoon in there, and then I do the colon cleanse every other night. So I reuse the tea bags over here. I don't know if that's really the right way, but I keep them on like a paper towel, and I'll reuse them like the off day that I'm not technically supposed to do the tea. I'll let that just hang out for a minute and we'll get started with the video. I've gotten to the point where I just like hate wearing bras. I really don't enjoy the process. I had this propped on a Sephora box. If you guys want a 21 days of beauty video, let me know. I'm so excited about this. This is what the box looks like. It's actually kind of heavy. It's so cute. So I always see like Kim Zolciak and her daughters opening these things, and I'm like, I skip them. To be honest with you, I've skipped them because I'm like, ugh, so sponsored. You know, I feel the same way because I mean, I'm a consumer too. Even though I do beauty videos, even though I'm like a YouTuber and all this stuff, and I am lucky enough to get a lot of things sent to me, like, I don't know, I get tired of watching sponsored content too, because you do kind of say like, oh, are these people like lying? Are they telling the truth? What is it? And like, I'm not gonna lie, like I'm not, and maybe they're not. I don't know. Some people I trust, some people, I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I paid $40 for this guy, and I'm thinking it's gonna be worth it. Like, I don't even know what's gonna be in here. I can't really even remember everything that's in that video. I remember it. Anyways, we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be great. First thing that you see is like some magazines and some brochures and whatnot. It's like a HelloFresh $50 gift card. It's 25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. So I've heard a lot about HelloFresh, and I'm like, I kind of want to try it, but I do work in food and beverage, and I get a lot of like my food for free, so I don't really need that right now, but maybe I'll eventually get it because I'm kind of getting tired of eating everything that's there. So I think most of the time you can get your Fab Fit Fun for $39.99. You just gotta watch out for the deals, watch out for the promo codes and stuff like that. That's what I do. Like, I'm such a couponer, such a bargainer when it comes to like shopping. I mean, I use EBATES. I mean, so that's cool that they give you a lot of these coupons. That's pretty neat. You get like some sort of a little magazine, and here's the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm about to break the seal. So this is what it looks like when you break the seal on the thing. I'm just gonna take everything out. First thing that draws my attention is this umbrella. It is so cute. Catherine Malandrino, and I love white and black. How cute is that? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna open it because that's bad luck to open umbrellas indoors, so I've heard. But it feels very nice quality. You can never have too many of these. Leave one in your car, leave one in your house, leave one, give one to a friend, whatever you wanna do. Gifts are always good. All right, next I have the Skin & Co. Roma Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Now, first thing I think in my head is like, whoa, first thought is I don't really use shower gel. I'm not a big shower gel person, but this does look quite luxurious. So we're gonna smell this. Oh, I don't want to open it with my teeth because it's soap, but oh, my nails. Oh yes, my nails have been through so much. Okay, now that smells pretty luxurious, I'm not gonna lie. Notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom, the Italian collection. So I guess this is a limited edition from the number 7. Have you ever seen the number 7 like in Target or, you know, what have you? I think that they're in like Walgreens and stuff like that too. So I guess this is kind of like a spin off of that. I always look at ingredients. I've become such a stickler for looking at ingredients. We have, it's not a crazy long list, but it's a product of Italy, which is kind of bougie. It's organic, which is also really awesome. Next thing is food, which I love food and I'm never gonna not like food. So this is a Luna bar, and I love that they incorporated food in here. Salted caramel nut. This looks like a new flavor. I really love bars. I keep these in my bag. I keep them in my pantry. I'll actually show you guys right now how obsessed I am with bars. So this isn't even like the crazy level that I feel like I am. I don't even eat them that much. I'm just obsessed with having them in case I need them. This is not very organized, but I have like every single bar imaginable in here. Kind bars. I have macro bars. This is just, I love Go Macros. I have Laura bars, everything. Okay, I don't know why I'm showing all of that. I also keep Perfect bars in my fridge right here. So I love me some bars. This is exciting. Like, I'm actually excited about the next thing I'm gonna see because I have no idea what it is. I mean, I think that some of the boxes vary. Like, I think a couple of things in here I knew I was gonna get, but I didn't know everything. So we have these Kalam Glow Bubble Sheet Deep Cleanse Mask. I know Glam Glow is not cheap. They sell it at Sephora. And I haven't really been using a whole lot of masks lately. I did use the Teami, which Teami is the brand of this tea that I use. They had a deal at Ulta. I posted about it on Instagram that they were doing a detox mask. They were selling their detox mask in Ulta for like half off. And I loved the mask. I'd have to use it a few more times, but it felt so good on my skin. Like after I took it off, my skin felt really nice. So yeah, I really enjoyed that, but I'll try this too. Let's see. Yoga. Sucio. Sucio. I know sucio in Espanol means dirty, but maybe this is sucio. I don't know. This is Detox Bath Post-Practice Relaxing Soak Ritual. Made with Greek, Mediterranean sea salts, goji berry, for active minds and bodies. Now this is perfect for me because I am trying to get more into the bath spirit because I work out. I try to every single day, but usually with my schedule, it ends up being about 5 to 6 times a week, which my body, and I also work a job where I'm on my feet 24/7. And you know, my body, it exhausts my body. Like right now, my lower back really hurts because I was really busy at work tonight. I bartend full-time in a hotel, just in case you didn't know. So, you know, this will be great for me because I have a really nice big, I think it's called clawfoot bathtub. I don't really do baths a lot, but I'm really trying to do more of that. I know y'all saw my Kirkland's haul where I had the bath salts and I've been using those and I've been loving that. So it's just taking the time to like come home and draw the bath and all that stuff. So it's I'm a little, I don't want to say lazy, but at the end of the day, I just want to like get in the shower, get out, get in bed because I'm tired. The next thing is Simply Whimsical Towel, which this is kind of exciting. It's kind of weird because I'm used to unboxing makeup and this is not makeup. These are like other beauty products, which is exciting. All right, feels like a kitchen towel. I want to read the description. Oh, these are oh, it is a kitchen towel. Yep, these got to be kitchen towels. Yeah, for sure. Simply Wood. So these are cute because these match my kitchen. Like my whole place is gray and white, so this is actually perfect and it's gonna be awesome. So awesome, how cool is that they knew my color scheme in my house. So this box looked like it got a little bit beat up. Hopefully the product is okay. This is Grown Alchemist Beauty Botanical Cream Cleanser. Okay, so the bottle is like this metal sort of, you know when you squish and you roll, like squeeze bottle is how that feels. This looks like it's from New York. Let me guess, is it from New York or not? No, it's made in Australia. Dang, I was off. It's organic, vegan, certified, sustainable. Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser, Olive Leaf, Hydra Restore. I feel like this is probably kind of expensive. This is supposed to remove your makeup, cleanse, and condition without dehydrating, which is great. This is perfect for me, you guys, because I have dry skin. And I like the packaging because it's super minimal, and I feel like this is when you're gonna have to poke something down in there. Yep, it is. It's one of these tubes. That looks pretty cool. I'm excited to try that. Everything is pretty exciting. The only thing that I'm not super excited about is the shower gel because I'm just not a shower gel gal. I'm a bar soap gal. I like to really get down and dirty with that stuff. Like, I need a deep clean. I need and I like and I want. Oh my gosh, Vince Camuto. I know that they sell his brand in fillers. Like a tote. It smells like it's real leather. Oh, it is vegan leather. It's vegan leather. How cute is that? This little tote bag. Nice. It feels really good quality. Like, it feels really nice. Okay, there's 2 more things in here. I'm like, I don't want it to end. 2 more things. So second to last, I did know I was going to be getting this, and this is a beauty blender, and it's the nude one, which I'm really excited about because I love the nude one. It looks almost like a little more tan than nude, but I know they've been coming out with a ton of colors, so that could totally be possible. And then the last thing that I'm probably the most excited about that I got that I knew that I was gonna get when I saw Kim and her daughter doing the unboxing is this Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. So cute. It's so funny because normally I wouldn't really care about this kind of a thing because I've never been a tea drinker until now. But now that I've been doing the Teami tea, this will be great, and I'll look forward to my tea even more. Oh, it's so cool. You can use loose leaf or you can just do whatever. But yeah, I saw this little teapot and I thought it was so cute. This is really what inspired me to even do Fab Fit Fun because I was like, oh, I want that teapot. And everything else I don't think I really remembered except the beauty blender. Look how cute this is. It's so precious. Ooh. So for your loose leaf tea, how cute is this? Little teapot. So this is just like a home that it lives in while it steeps. I'm really new to teapots. I know this is gonna be really dumb for all you tea drinkers, but like, I kind of was hoping I could put this, I'm thinking of a tea kettle, maybe not a teapot, to put it on my stove. I'm pretty sure this might break. I don't know the rules about ceramic on the stove. I can't remember. I'm probably not gonna do it. So I have to put boiling water in here, let it steep, and then I pour it. I feel like this is just another mechanism for me to clean, now that I think of it. I feel like I might just use this to be pretty and cute. And like if I had a friend over, oh my gosh, let's use my cute little teapot, which like that's never gonna happen, but we can all think about that. Regardless if you didn't like something in the box, like you're still getting a great value for if you find like one or two things that you did like, because things are expensive and things add up, and $40 for all that stuff, I don't think that's bad at all. And I kind of want to see what's in the next box, you know what I mean? So I'm not really into subscriptions because I find that, I don't know, I have commitment issues when it comes to like subscriptions, memberships, things like that, because I'm like, well, what if I don't want, what if I, you know, get tired of it or whatever. I just have a lot of what ifs or whatever. So, but I think this was a really good deal. Like my thing is like, if I'm not going to use it, I don't want it. So I think that's the whole thing. But I think that this, I got lucky because I really do like everything in this collection. And I remember Kim and her daughter saying like beauty blenders are like $20. So I mean, that's half the box. And that's right. Like I totally agree with that. And I actually really do need new kitchen towels. So that's great. So luckily, this is awesome. And I think it gives you a chance to kind of discover new brands that maybe you've never heard of. Like a lot of this, most of this actually I've never heard of. So it's really cool. And some of them I have, and I'm like, okay, I know. So it's a good little balance, a good little mix. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about using this. I think I'm gonna use this tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna use it tonight because I'm honestly so extremely exhausted. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this tonight, but let me know what you guys think about Fab Fit Fun. Have you guys tried it? What do you think about it? Is it worth it? All those questions. This is the empty box right here. So it says grateful for every little thing, fall 2008, which I am totally down with that. I love it. I love fall. Fall's like my favorite, and I think it's most everyone's favorite, to be honest. It's like the season's about to come up, and like, not the seasons, the holidays are about to come up, and it's just a fun time to celebrate and have fun. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts. Let me know what you want to see next down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Happy fall, everyone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.